Mobilgard 540 AC is recommended for all new marine two-stroke engine designs and has achieved MAN ES Category 2 approval and WinGD dual-fuel LNG validation. Its formulation delivers exceptional cleanliness, combats deposits and scuffing, reduces ash residues in exhaust after treatment systems, and helps ensure performance, even in the most severe operating conditions. There's also no need to alternate between cylinder oils. The results: prolonged engine life, minimized maintenance, and advanced vessel reliability. Used in conjunction with mobile cylinder condition monitoring, Mobilgard 540 AC can help vessel operators safely and effectively optimize cylinder oil feed rates. Mobilgard 540 AC, delivering peace of mind and performance for two-stroke marine engines, available now for order.